The US has cancelled Hasina Wajid's visa, and today the Indian Foreign Ministry has made a very meaningful statement that Hasina Wajid has come to India temporarily, not permanently. Meaning India is also, you can say, reluctant to keep Hasina Wajid for more than a few days. It's very much surprising. Can we say she has been used by India?
Actually, it may be surprising to you, but I'm not surprised at all, because...
So you were expecting that from India?
Yeah, of course, because India used them. And now Sheikh Hasina is very toxic to India also. All the people are not supporting Hasina. So people are already fed up about India because of their controlling of common waters, of the common rivers, and the other misbehavior, border killing. So now Sheikh Hasina has given everything as per the demand of India. So India has used her thoroughly, and there is nothing to get from Sheikh Hasina. So India will not take her now to rise the discontents among the people. This is the political Indian politicians are so much clever. So Sheikh Hasina is now like a tissue paper, used tissue paper to them. So it's very natural that India will not support Hasina anymore. They just used her to get their benefits.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।